Great, here we are. We're going to make your character fly this time. So let's get rid of this default sprite. We're going to have something that is flying. Whatever you would like to use is going to be okay. But after you choose whatever it is that's going to be flying, we need to make it look like they're flying in the air. So let's add a backdrop. The simplest would be the simple blue sky. And we need to have objects flying past them. So in my case, let's add a cloud. There's a cloud. Let's add a second cloud. Great. So these clouds are going to be whizzing past as this person is flying through the screen. How do we do that? Well, if we start coding this cloud, we are going to have it start in a off-screen position way over here. Let's have it start at 300. So it's going to go to 295. And it is then going to glide in 1 second all the way over here, all the way across the screen. So in that case, that would be these numbers here. So let's see what that looks like before we do anything else. There it goes. Now I've got to click every time. If I want this to just repeat, we need to have the forever loop. Put the code in the forever loop, and that will be repeating all the time. Now the code for this other cloud is going to look very similar. So let's click on that cloud and we can start to build the exact same thing we had before. We're going to have an event called when this is clicked. We are going to have it start way over here on the left, on the right. And under motion, you will see it'll go to that position. Then we want it to glide across the screen and end way over here on this end. It's going to glide to the position it's in now. These have the exact same numbers. I'm not sure how that happened. -2, 73, -35. What I need to do is delete these and try again. So it's going to go to its current position, -273, -35. Then, oh, that was the problem. It was in the wrong spot. Let's try again. Let's have it go to, oh, here's the problem. We need to stop what's going on the screen if we want this to be reactive with over here. So now it'll work. Oftentimes problems like that will turn up. So go to, and that's the proper position. Then we want it to glide across the screen. And because we want it to go again and again and again, it's going to be in a forever loop. So let's test this out. When we click the green flag, it looks like it's flying. Personally, I would change this by making one of the clouds look like they're farther away. And so instead of 1 second to glide across, maybe this one's going to take 2 seconds to glide across. That kind of changes how things are working. Having a bird go by once in a while would be kind of nice. And having fun with it, you could make this so that you have to avoid things. So maybe if you hit this cloud, you lose. There's all sorts of ways to make this into a game, a flying game, by using these sensing blocks. So if the griffin is touching cloud or clouds, what's going to happen? Have fun with it. I can't wait to see what you make.